So to fix this problem, move your notification bar and tap on this settings button over here, which is close to your profile. And when you tap on it, you're going to be in your phone settings, and what you have to do is to tap on apps and notification, tap on the see your apps, try to search for Bradesco App, then you tap on it to open it. After opening it, tap on for stop, then you tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear cache, then after that you go back, tap on permissions and make sure every permission is allowed, which is very necessary. Tap on notification and make sure show notification is toggled on like this, then go back, then you tap on mobile data and restrictions on mobile data and Wi-Fi, make sure the background data is toggled on. After that, go back to your phone menu and try to search for Google Play Store. Just tap on it to open it. Now when you get to Google Play Store, what you have to do is to search for Bradesco App, and after searching for it, this is going to appear, so just tap on it to open it. So after opening it, what you have to do is to update the app, so just get the latest version of the app. So after updating your app, what you have to do is to tap on the power button to restart your device or reboot your device. Okay, and thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video.